Welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna tackle the priming the Healey Fender, and then I think I'm gonna talk about what my plans are for the rest of this week. Here's what it looks like after I put a little of that 2-in-1 high build primer and filler. At least it's somewhat of a solid color now. I know it's not the right primer to use, but at least it's not rusty. My plan for the rest of this week is to work on the Bronco. I'm thinking I'm just going to go ahead and take out the inner and outer rocker and replace it to the best of my ability. And we'll see how that goes, because I've never taken sheet metal off before or put it back, so it ought to be interesting. Any kind of suggestions or anything that could help, please let me know. I also discovered a hole in the 289 engine that came out of the Bronco. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but it's right where the distributor is and the oil return holes. So I'm thinking it's just going to return the oil back down to the bottom of the engine, but I'll show you. Here is the engine block, 289 out of the Bronco. And get a, that right there is what I saw, and I was concerned, but I don't believe it will affect the engine any. I think it's just a casting flaw, I hope, but I don't think that it goes down to any kind of water jackets or anything of that nature. don't think it's that big of a concern. If anybody else knows if I should be worried about that, please let me know, because I still plan on rebuilding this. And another thing that I've done today, which I'm kind of proud about, is I built a box for all of my scrap metal, and it just keeps it looking nicer than what I had before. But here it is. It's just made out of scrap 2x4s. Before I had just a cardboard box with all that metal in it. But now I think it looks a lot neater and nicer. Hopefully I can get all of this straightened out, because I don't like that shelf there and all the junk on it. But gonna try to get that all squared away, and then hopefully build a shelf or something over here for my gas cans, because I really want them off the floor and accessible. But there's a bunch of stuff that I need to fix. But hopefully sometime this next week or two, I'll be able to go out to the back barns and show you my other two projects. And one's a 65 short wide GMC pickup, and there's a 1950 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. But I think that's going to do it for me tonight. Anyways, I guess I'll catch you on the next one. I'll try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks for stopping by.